Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts with Steve McDonald, part 2 of a two-part video where I'm making jewellery out of some leftover resin. These have now dried really well and I'm about to make them into a couple of little bracelets. Obviously these are pendants, so they just need chains on them to go through them. I'm really pleased with how they come out, and ultimately they cost virtually nothing, and I would have chuck that little bit of resin away that was available. So what you will need if you're going to make these is, first of all, you're going to need some of these little cups, these little bracelet cups, some pliers as well, and some links or chain rings. Now I always have quite a lot of this stuff hanging around anyway because I make chainmail jewellery. This is just a couple of examples of the chainmail jewellery that I've made in the past. And it's quite therapeutic actually, it's quite relaxing and fun to do. And so I've got tons of that sitting around doing nothing because I am a bit of a hoarder of all the things that I make. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly show you how to put these together, and it's really couldn't be simpler. So you just put a link on there, a link on there, and then just shut it. And how I always shut them is I always bend them back slightly past where they are and then bring them back so it closes up nicely. So there's one. Let's do that again. See, my little woofies are barking again. They always bark when I'm recording. Bless their little hearts. So back again. There we go, two. I was thinking of putting black links and black clasps on these, but I thought no, I won't this time because I thought this would be easier to show up on camera. So once again, pushing it together, moving it just slightly past, and there we go. So the last one, and obviously if you're making these for someone, then you would need to have an idea of what the size of their wrist is, and if you're making it a necklace, what the size of the neck is, because that's quite important. So they're all put together. Okay, and it couldn't be easier, and all these are available from, these clasps are available from craft shops, or alternatively you can get them from Amazon. I buy all mine from Amazon because I go through quite a lot. I've probably got hundreds of them about somewhere, all different types. So there's that one, and again for the final one. Okay, there we go. And going up and under, and that to there. There we go, and that's that done. And that's quite a simple little bracelet. Obviously my wrists are quite fat because it's not really made for somebody as fat as mine. I'll probably give it to my mum, she'll love this. And that's just a nice little bracelet. So there's that one done. I'll just quickly do this one. I've made all sorts of jewellery, earrings and bracelets, necklaces. I've made it for drag queens, I've made it for different people, I've given it away for charity auctions. It's actually really quite therapeutic. You can sit, once you get used to what you're doing, and I don't always make just chainmail jewellery as well. I do kumihimo and wire hemo as well, which I really enjoy. You can just sit in front of the television, to be honest, and watch a bit of television during the winter and just knock out some jewellery. really quite popular. I'm always getting asked for it. It's not something I've really chosen to sell too much in the past, but who knows, going forward I might have to. No, I might think about doing that. And I love doing things with my hands, and I love being busy, and I hate waste. So to me, these were just bracelets that were made from waste. There's a little clasp on, a little ring on there that shouldn't be on there, and it's there from when you get it. They come chained together, the actual clasps. There we go, couldn't be easier, could it? So, as my nan would say, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. We're all done. How much easier could that have been? Couldn't have been easier. I sound like one of them people that sell stuff on the market. Come and get it, only £20, only £20. Come and get it. So, there we go. From waste and just a few bits, I've now got 2 elegant bracelets and 2 elegant pendants. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can. Bye.